2017 Toyota Corolla, we're removing the steering wheel airbag, okay? All you're gonna need to do this is a small flathead screwdriver. This is a pocket screwdriver, but you can use any flathead screwdriver that has a small handle. You're gonna need a small handle because we're gonna have to get in back here like this. Put this into the release hole that's back here. I actually have another steering wheel here to show you what we're doing here, okay? On the back of the steering wheel, we have this one, and this one. This is all the releases. We're gonna go back here like this. Go in here like that. The thing is, when we do that, here's my screwdriver here. We're looking at getting it in like this and just pushing down on it. Okay, now see how this moves to this bar? This is gonna unclip the steering wheel airbag. It's gonna do it on all three sides, okay? I'll show you really quick. Come in this way. Hopefully I can do this with my left hand. But you're gonna stick it in here like that. And then we're gonna pull pretty much like pry upwards. And you see how this released? It's released now, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn the steering wheel like that, do that side, and then you're gonna do it like this side here, okay? And that will release your steering wheel airbag.